So I'm showing you how to reset your VIZIO TV if you have one. So just use your remote, and this one is brand new and I've set it up, but I will show you how to reset it. So first you would, this is just showing you the very beginning of when you get started with your VIZIO TV. So basically this is just your VIZIO TV interface at the very beginning when you just purchase your VIZIO TV. This is what you see when you turn it on. This TV has already been set up. I'm just gonna show you how to reset it if you need to. So I'll wait until this presentation is done and then I'll show you how to reset your VIZIO. So you will click home on your remote, and as soon as you get to click that home, you will go back to the settings. So just wait a little bit. So home, so this is what shows when you click home, and then go scroll down and go to the settings. And then I did try looking at the system, so it's not going to be in the system to reset the TV. So it's not in the system, so you want to go back up and scroll back up and go back to the settings, and it should be in the admin and privacy. So there in the admin and privacy, you should be able to click reset TV. So this is good if you need to change ownership, change email, change information to the TV. So I just click reset TV. It took a couple more seconds, and then it will show you the VIZIO logo. And then probably 10-20 seconds, it will come up with the VIZIO TV starting, like start up screen. So that's it. So that's easy. So again, go to your settings and then find admin and privacy. That's how easy you can reset your VIZIO TV. Thank you.